The Check BSD System warning in your Hyundai indicates a problem with the blind spot detection system. This is an advanced driver assistance feature that helps keep you safe on the road. The BSD system uses radar sensors and cameras to monitor your vehicle's blind spots and alert you to vehicles in adjacent lanes. Here's how it works in practice. The system includes rear corner radar sensors, side mirror indicator lights, and dashboard warning displays. These components work together to detect vehicles in your blind spots. This warning has become increasingly common in Hyundai models from 2018 onwards as the company expanded BSD technology across their vehicle lineup. The causes of BSD system warnings fall into three main categories: environmental factors, technical issues, and vehicle-related factors. Environmental factors are the most common cause of BSD warnings. These include sensor contamination from dirt, snow, ice, or debris, as well as heavy rain or fog that interferes with radar signals. Technical issues require more attention and may need professional diagnosis. These include sensor misalignment after minor impacts, electrical connection problems, software glitches, or faulty radar sensors. Vehicle-related factors are less common but important to consider. These include aftermarket modifications that affect sensor operation, improper wheel alignment, battery voltage issues, or interference from other electronic devices. Understanding these potential causes is the first step in troubleshooting your BSD system warning. Most issues are environmental and can be resolved with simple cleaning, while others may require professional attention. The first step in troubleshooting your BSD system is a thorough visual inspection. Start by examining the sensor areas located in the rear bumper corners. Clean the sensor areas thoroughly using mild soap and water. Avoid high-pressure washing directly on the sensors, as this can damage the delicate components. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, try a system reset by disconnecting the vehicle's battery. This allows the BSD system to reinitialize and often clears temporary glitches. The recalibration process requires driving at speeds above 20 miles per hour for several minutes. This allows the system sensors to reestablish their baseline readings. Many Hyundai vehicles offer a menu-based reset option through the infotainment system. Look for driver assistance or safety settings to access BSD system controls. If basic troubleshooting fails, professional diagnostic tools can read specific error codes. Common BSD error codes include B11620 for sensor malfunction and U01F5 for communication errors. Professional diagnostic tools can also perform precise sensor alignment and calibration procedures that are not possible with basic troubleshooting methods. Understanding repair costs helps you make informed decisions. Sensor replacement typically costs $200 to $800, while professional calibration adds another $100 to $300. Regular maintenance is the key to preventing BSD system issues. Monthly sensor cleaning and annual professional diagnostics can save you hundreds of dollars in repair costs while keeping your safety systems functioning properly.